about commission and discount. For commission, for commission, for commission, that is when you do a particular business. So a worker is paid on the basis of the value of money collected. So commission is just a type of business in which the worker is paid on the basis of the value of money collected. You pay on the money collected. You pay. When you pay for the money collected, then cash discounts is when some sellers like complain, they usually offer to accept lesser sum of money, like a reduction. We call it a reduction. When we have a reduction in price, this is the actual thing, they sell it, but they now try to reduce it. That is what we call cash discount. Then we have higher purchases. Higher purchase is when the buyer decides to pay the cost and promises to pay the rest instantly. When it is instantly, like a buyer pays part of the cost and promises to pay the rest, and promises to pay the rest immediately, and promises to pay the rest installments, when he decides to pay it like that. Now let's pick an example. We want to pick an example. Let's say an agent receives 2.5% commission. 2.5% commission on the money collected. By XYZ company. On the money collected. So we are asked to calculate what his commission is. What is commission in a week? When he collected 480. How much does he collect in a month? When he receives 50.7 as commission. So what do we do when we have this kind of question? What do we do? You calculate your commission. Remember, they told us that there is 2%. His commission in a week, his commission is 2%. We have 2% on what? We have 2% of 480. He collected 480, so we have 2%, so which is 5/200 times 48. So this cancel this. We have 4 and this is 12. So his commission is 12 naira. His commission is 12 naira. So we want to know if the commission is, they said how much does he now collect in a month? In a month, when they receive 50 naira 0.75 as what? As commission. So we want to know the amount he received. So commission equals to, is still 2%. 2% of S. So what was the commission? The commission is 50.75 or 5 over 200 times X. So we have 50.75 times 200 over 5 equals to S. Equals to S. So S equals to 2,330. That is the commission. That is the commission. Now we want to check for the next one. And tell us, number 2, a television set is marked as 480 if a discount of 5% is given for cash payments. How much was paid for it? How much was paid for it? This one, a television set, they mark it as 480. Then we want to know, then they remove a discount, how much was paid on it. So we want to know the amount paid. So the amount paid, they remove 5. So from it, originally it is 100 minus 5, and that is going to give us 95. So we'll find 95% of 480. They remove 5 from it. So S cancel this. Our answer equals to 456. 456. 456. I want us to look at another example. I said, number 3, a man bought a television. A man bought a television. He paid 250 immediately. And agreed to pay the rest in 8 monthly installments at the rate of 32.00 per month. How much did he pay for the television together? For the television altogether. See? A man bought what? A television. And he paid it. He paid 250. He paid what? 250 immediately. And agreed to pay the rest in 8 months. So, here at television, 250. Ó wá ṣe kí ni ó fẹ́ ta ìyókù ní 8 months installments at the rate of 32 per month. So what do you do? Remember, he paid how much? He paid 250, and each month you have to pay what? You have to pay 32. So in 8 months, that will give us 32 times 8, and that is 196 plus 250. Sorry, 161. That's 256. So he's going to pay 506 altogether. So how much do they pay? He paid 506 because they said he paid 250 immediately and he applied. So how much did he pay altogether? He paid 506. He paid 506. Now I want us to take this exercises. A salesman receive 12.5% per naira as commission on the article is sold. On the article is sold. On the article is sold. Find his commission. Find his commission if he sold articles worth 800 naira. 800 naira. 800 naira. Number 2. How much article must he sell so as to receive a commission of 12 naira? Thank you.